Yeah, but if it breaks, it breaks. If it dies, it dies.
Easy.
I'm dead. You're dead. Maybe that's the round actually, or what? Because it's just... how much time is left?
Actually, just 10 seconds.
Yeah, that's the round.
That's the round.
Alright, so for this sparring video, a challenge was using these MMA gloves. It was really difficult to switch grip from this to this. So I wanted to utilize more for close range and these types of strikes, but I ended up using more of this. Now this is not just as a disguise and a distraction, because these ends would be sharpened, so it can actually cut as well. I still say it have the advantage using butterfly knives and having two, but a fun experience, and I hope you enjoyed the video. After years of free content, I need a helping hand from some of you. You can support me with $3 each month, or 5 or 10 for a few extra benefits. Thanks for listening. Visit my Patreon, that's patreon.com/Zen-Dragon.